Onninen Opal. When you leave the city behind, you encounter more and more difficulties. Sometimes, daily tasks that seem extremely easy at home become very difficult. For many, taking a shower during a hike is an unaffordable luxury. The invention you see on the screen is designed to solve this problem and increase the comfort of any campsite. This is Opal, a camping shower by Onninen. The device is compact, easy to use, and it's ready in a few minutes. When it's not being used, it doesn't take up much space either. Water from a spring is passed to a shower head which can be attached, for example, to a tree. The kit includes a suction cup so that the shower can be fixed on the surface of the car as well. The manufacturer offers to use the device not only for personal hygiene, it also speeds up and simplifies washing dishes in the open. The battery of the device charges through the USB port of your car. Go 20. Thanks to this invention, you won't have to worry about the fresh products you take with you on the road. If the trip lasts a couple of days, there are usually no problems. However, if the camping is long and the weather is hot, you can't survive without a fridge. Turns out that it doesn't have to be huge and uncomfortable. Go 20 was developed by specialists of the American company IceCo. The temperature inside the refrigerator is regulated in the range from +10 to -18 degrees Celsius. Go 20 is only 315 mm tall, 320 mm wide, and 570 mm long. Thus, it easily fits in the luggage compartment of any car. The fridge connects to the car outlet. In case you need to immediately cool the food, the refrigerator requires only 15 minutes to lower the temperature inside to 0 degrees. The refrigerator volume is 20 liters. This is enough to hold a large lobster, a watermelon, or a few containers of food. Also inside there are 2 independent temperature zones. The price is $500. Dream case. Sleeping in a tent is not for everyone, and even camping fans have a hard time sometimes. Perhaps you think that nature lovers don't have much choice. However, this is not the case, because Slovenian experts have suggested an alternative to tents. Dream case looks like a compact, stylish, but in general not remarkable suitcase. But on the inside there is a bed for 2 people to fit comfortably. It is noteworthy that every detail of this set has its own functionality. Even the suitcase, once unfolded, turns into a base for the mattress. By the way, Dreamcase's mattress is multi-layered and made of memory foam. This means that there are numerous cells inside the mattress. Under the influence of human weight and heat, they compress and take the form of the user. Many people want to buy a memory mattress for their home, but Dreamcase offers to sleep on it in the car. It takes less than 3 minutes to figure out the design. Before ordering the mattress, you should choose the brand of your car, so the sleeping space will be suitable for it. One Dreamcase with pillows can be bought for at least $820. The hammock hitch stand. The following invention has a patented design, and it will improve travel comfort. Instead of bringing chairs and hammocks separately, the American company Hammocker offers to buy the hammock hitch stand. The construction is attached to the tow bar of the car. These are 2 comfortable hammocks in which you can sit. Later in the evening, if desired, the 2 hammocks can be transformed into one to lie comfortably. The price of the hammock hitch stand starts from $200, and its lifting capacity is up to 136 kilograms per hammock. Hitch Hotel. The story of this invention began when a father decided to design a special trailer for his son in which he could safely carry a bicycle. After thinking for a while, the engineer realized that he could improve the design and even offer it to a large number of travelers. Today, anyone can buy this product. Hitch Hotel will cost $4,200 plus the cost of delivery. Expensive, we agree, but the purchase is definitely worth its money. Hitch Hotel is a wheelless trailer attached to the tow bar. During transportation, it takes up almost no space, as its volume is about 1.7 cubic meters when folded. When it's time to stop, the construction becomes a comfortable house with a lot of amenities. It took about 3 years to develop this product. The mini trailer is lightweight, but at the same time durable and resistant to adverse factors and influences. The trailer takes just a few minutes to unfold. Once ready, its volume is almost 4 cubic meters. This means that 2 people will be able to sit comfortably inside the trailer. Tailgater table. Without a table, the comfort of a person's life is significantly reduced. This is true both at home and during camping in the wild. At the same time, traditional tables for camping are not very comfortable. Finding an even surface for them can be difficult, and even then the table isn't stable enough. Tailgater specialists offer not to look for a suitable place for the table, but just to attach it to the car tire. Moreover, it'll only take a few seconds. The design is absolutely safe for the car as well, you don't have to worry about it. Once attached, the table is optimally stable. In this case, it can be used with the wheel of almost any vehicle. Note how little space the table occupies when assembled. This is a flat metal construction that's easy to store and transport. It weighs only 5.5 kilograms and costs $140. Prius Relax Cabin. The latest invention which we'll show you today was designed exclusively for the Toyota Prius. However, it will surely make camping unforgettable, so we just couldn't help but show it to you. Adding this cabin to the car will cost $20,000. For this money, the owner will get a spacious living space inside his car. 4 people will be able to stay inside the Relax cabin. 2 can sleep on the lower tier, and 2 more can sleep on the upper tier. They will have a microwave oven and a fridge as well. These appliances are powered by the Toyota Prius onboard network. Speaking about size, this version of the car is only half a meter longer than the standard version. The height will increase from 1.5 meters to 2. In general, the add-on looks quite stylish, especially inside. Thanks to the large windows, travelers can enjoy plenty of natural light.